Alright, y'all.
I know you say you haven't been.
Girl, because I done had so many bad experiences. Oh, they're about to go. As you can see, I finally made it to the hairdresser. I was a little scared in the beginning because, you know, got a bad history with hairdressers. But we giving her a try because I got a little bit of faith, okay? Wait till y'all see the end because this turned out super cute, okay? I turned the sound off, and we're just gonna do a voiceover because it was so loud in there. There were like other people there with their clients and they were just talking really loud. So a lot of the conversation you won't be able to hear because of that. Now, I came to get a extended ponytail. Never had one before. I have had a braided ponytail, but never an extended ponytail, and I think that it's gonna be really cute. So I was super excited to get it done. She did a really good job on my hair, and I'm definitely gonna go back to her. If you guys are in the Charlotte area, I'll put all of her information down. Now, she was very gentle when it came to washing my hair. I don't like getting my hair washed and people scrub aggressively when they're getting to the scalp because that's not necessary and that hurts. And I feel like you kind of like breaking the hair a little bit. Anyway, I don't like it. I don't like it, and I'm so glad that she didn't do that. She was very gentle with my hair and scalp. Now, the shampoo she was using, I have no clue what she was using, but it smells so good. Like, I need that for the house. I definitely do. So, I'm going to have to figure out what she had, because I like it a lot. So we were just sitting here talking about like a lot of different things, nothing to do with my hair at all. We were just chopping it up. But my girl Bree is new to Charlotte area and she is taking new clients. So by the end of this video, I know you're gonna want to book your appointment. So go ahead and do that. She didn't provide the hair, but she told me what hair to get. I think next time I would definitely buy bundles instead of buying the beauty supply store here, because that lasted me like 4 days before I was just like, okay, I'm over this. And then y'all didn't tell me how hard it is to take out that dang on ponytail. I ain't find no instructions, no tutorials. I just had to hope and pray I didn't cut my own hair. So there's that too. So next time, y'all please post me a video, let me know how I get that thing out. Okay, thank you. Oh, we know it's about to hit, Jen. So right now she's prepping the hair with product and detangling it to get ready for the blow dry. Now my hair is pretty soft and it is not hard for it to get straight. So it doesn't take a whole lot of heat or a whole lot of product to get my hair to do whatever needs to be done. So I'm really glad that my hair is at least easy to work with. Y'all do see my edges is a little sparse, but we gonna carry on with God's grace and we gonna do what we gotta do to blend that in. Okay. She's going in with this blow dryer, and girl, when I tell you she went in, my hair got so straight off the blow dryer alone. Okay, so let's watch this footage of me get my hair blow dry. Now, I know y'all see that steam. Don't come for my girl, okay? Y'all see she put the heat protector in it. So, that is not my hair being burnt. It didn't even smell. You know that burnt smell when you get your hair down the hair. We didn't even have that smell going on, Okay, we was okay. I have since taken this ponytail out and washed my hair, and it reverted back beautifully. Especially since she clipped my ends. Like, oh, it was so good. So I'm really glad that she took her time and really took care of my hair. Y'all see my eyes getting low? Shorty was tired, okay? I was so tired that day. I don't even know what was going on, okay? I took a nap afterwards, don't worry. Now we're getting into my favorite part. She about to hit me with that flat iron. Okay, I'm so excited. But I got burnt a little bit. Sorry, boo. You was burning me up, okay? But you did what you had to do, so I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. But my scalp was hurting a little bit when I left. But I took it, I took it like a man. Baby. You see them inches? Oh, you see it down my back? I mean, most of them about to get chopped off. But look, yeah, Shorty's hair was growing. Ew. We had to take a couple inches off. We did, because that's my fault. I should have been getting my trims like I was supposed to, but your girl was terrified to trust anybody with anything in my head, because y'all not about to play in my head. No, y'all not about to do that. But she did some snip snapping. We did like an inch and a half, 2 inches. But the point is, my hair was looking good and looking healthy when she was done, and she ain't one of them just cut straight across stylists, because I don't have time for those type of stylists. Okay, all y'all 2023 stylists that just cut straight across and think you done with my trim, this is why y'all can't touch my hair. Okay, y'all need to cut straight across, and then y'all need to go in and do the little lift. I don't know what it's called, but we need to do a little bit more cutting than what y'all doing. Okay. But y'all gonna see, she trimmed the ends and got me right. Look at them inches, y'all. It's looking so healthy and gorgeous. I can't wait to do some stuff to it. Look at that hair. That trim looks good, y'all. It really do. That part right there, that's what I'm talking about. You see how she lifting it up? And that part, that's what everybody needs to start doing and doing a little more of. Okay? But anyway, look at the end. Y'all should be so proud of me. I finally got my ends trimmed. Now my hair gonna grow nice. Or that's what they say, but we gonna see. We gonna see what happens. Now we're getting into this ponytail. Like, look at how full that looks. Wow. Okay. But yeah, we're getting into this ponytail. She getting it all gathered together in the middle. And she doing it layer by layer so that it's flat when she gets the ponytail fully together. So that's how you know she doing it right. If they not doing it a little bit at a time in the ponytail so that it's nice and flat and flush, y'all go ahead and get up out that chair, okay? And book my girl. For this ponytail, she used a combination of the wax stick and the Got to Be freeze spray to get it to stay slicked down. And then we blow dry each layer as we went along so that my hair wouldn't revert back. And that seemed to do the trick. So if y'all don't know what products to use, get you that wax stick, that Milani wax stick, and that Got to Be spray, and get your ponytail popping. Girl, she get my little baby hairs together. Oh, she asked me, can she cut them? No, ma'am. Make what I got work. That's all I got, and we're not gonna cut that. Thank you for asking. I don't like. Look, some of y'all cut your little fake baby hairs. I got some. We're gonna work with those. You feel me?
It is.
Into the hair, cause it's cute. And look at how cute my stylist is. She is so cute. Y'all ready to come get you one of these? Okay.